Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Oracle AI Database Private Agent Factory, a powerful, free tool designed for enterprises looking to build AI agents quickly, securely, and close to their data. With a no-code or low-code approach, Agent Factory brings agentic patterns directly to where your enterprise data and governance already reside. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, this platform makes it practical to design, test, and deploy AI agents without the need for heavy custom code. Let's dive into what makes Agent Factory unique, why it's useful, and how you can get started today. Agent Factory is a no-code platform and runtime for designing, testing, and deploying AI agents. It's tightly integrated with the Oracle Autonomous AI Database, leveraging advanced vector capabilities for smarter data handling. The platform offers a visual agent builder, pre-built agents, and seamless integrations with Oracle services and other systems. You can run Agent Factory within your own tenancy or even on your local machine, ensuring privacy and control. Plus, it supports bringing your own large language model, including options like Ollama and VLLM, making it highly flexible for different enterprise needs. Agent Factory comes with several pre-built agents to help you get started quickly. These include the Knowledge Agent, which enables Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, over enterprise content, the Data Analysis Agent, which explores structured data with auto-generated SQL and visualizations, and the Deep Research Agent, designed for breaking down complex questions. The platform also supports enterprise features like single sign-on, SSO, guardrails, conversational memory, and connectors to popular tools such as Slack and Confluence. This makes it easy to integrate with your existing workflows and systems. Using Agent Factory, you can build AI agents much faster thanks to its no-code or low-code design. The platform allows you to visually design agents, connect tools and data sources, and iterate rapidly without writing complex glue code. It's built for enterprise-grade integration, connecting seamlessly to Oracle Database and Select AI for grounded reasoning over approved sources. Security and privacy are built in by design, keeping your data and agent execution inside your own environment. Plus, you can start with ready-to-use agents and deploy across multi-cloud or on-premises setups. Agent Factory offers three main installation options to suit your environment. You can install it locally on macOS, directly on Linux, or deploy it from the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, Marketplace. The OCI Marketplace option is especially convenient, providing a one-click, no-code setup process that gets you up and running quickly. This flexibility ensures that you can choose the deployment method that best aligns with your organization's infrastructure and governance requirements. To install Agent Factory from the OCI Marketplace, start by opening the listing for Oracle AI Database Private Agent Factory and selecting Launch. Next, choose your target compartment and accept the terms. You'll then provide required variables such as subnet and compute shape. Once you've entered these details, deploy the stack and wait for the instance to provision. Remember to save the generated SSH key from the job output. This is essential for accessing your instance later. When installing from the OCI Marketplace, you'll need to select the compartment where Agent Factory will be deployed. This step ensures that your new agent environment is properly organized within your Oracle Cloud tenancy. After choosing the compartment, simply accept the terms and proceed. This structure helps maintain clear governance and access control over your AI agent deployments, which is especially important for enterprise environments. Next, you'll configure the compute and networking options for your Agent Factory stack. This involves specifying the subnet and compute shape that best fits your workload. These settings determine the performance and connectivity of your deployed instance, so it's important to align them with your organization's requirements. Once configured, you're ready to deploy the stack and let the provisioning process complete. After deploying the stack, it's crucial to save the generated SSH key from the job outputs. This key allows you to securely access your Agent Factory instance for future configuration or troubleshooting. Always store this key in a safe place, as it's required for SSH access to your environment. With your instance provisioned and access secured, you're ready to proceed with setting up the Agent Factory environment. Before installing the Agent Factory Studio, you'll need to create a user in your Oracle AI Autonomous Database. This involves running a series of SQL commands to set up the user, grant necessary privileges, and ensure the user has the right access to directories and system parameters. You can do this easily using SQL Developer Web, which is accessible directly from the Database Actions interface. Proper database user setup is essential for smooth operation of your AI agents. With your database user created, it's time to set up the Agent Factory Studio environment. This involves configuring the admin user, entering your Oracle database credentials, installing the required schema, and setting up your large language model, LLM, configuration. The platform supports a variety of LLM providers, including OCI Generative AI, OpenAI, Llama, and VLLM. You'll also configure an embedding model for Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, tasks. These steps ensure your environment is ready for building and running AI agents. During setup, you'll need to configure your Oracle database credentials and install the necessary schema. This step ensures that the Agent Factory has the right access to your data and can create the tables and structures it needs to operate. The platform guides you through entering your credentials and running the schema installation, making the process straightforward even for those new to Oracle databases. Configuring your large language model, LLM, is a key part of the Agent Factory setup. You can choose from OCI Generative AI, OpenAI, Llama, or VLLM endpoints, depending on your organization's preferences and requirements. Additionally, you'll need to set up an embedding model, which is essential for tasks like Retrieval Augmented Generation. This flexibility allows you to tailor the AI capabilities to your specific use cases and data privacy needs. If you ever need to restart your virtual machine, remember that the Agent Factory Studio may not start automatically. To resolve this, use the SSH key you saved earlier to log into your instance. Then, create a shell script to restart the service and set it to run at startup using crontab. This ensures that your Agent Factory environment is always available, even after a system reboot. Once everything is set up, you can sign in to the Oracle Private AI Agent Studio. From the homepage, you have the option to start with a pre-built agent or build your own. The interface is designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly access knowledge agents, data analysis agents, and deep research agents. This streamlined experience helps you get productive with AI agents right away. Let's take a closer look at the Data Analysis Agent. This pre-built agent allows you to analyze structured data by connecting to your configured database, running SQL queries, and returning results in table or chart form. You can ask questions like, which team won the most fixtures in 2025? Or, what was the average point difference by team? The agent provides initial insights automatically and supports advanced queries, making data exploration both powerful and user-friendly. After configuring your data analysis agent, you can publish it directly from the Agent Studio. Once published, the agent becomes available in the Data Analysis Agents menu, ready for use. When you open the agent, it presents initial insights and allows you to run queries or generate visualizations. This streamlined workflow accelerates the time to value for your data projects and makes it easy to share insights across your organization. With the Data Analysis Agent, you can ask both simple and advanced questions about your data. The agent can generate visualizations, tables, or natural language responses based on your queries. There's also a built-in SQL editor, allowing you to validate generated responses or write your own queries on the fly. This flexibility empowers users of all skill levels to gain actionable insights from their data. The Agent Builder feature lets you design custom agent workflows visually. You can drag and drop components like chat input, MCP server, agent logic, and chat output into your workflow. For example, you might connect to an OCI data science service running on a container instance. The Agent Builder makes it easy to wire up data sources, configure system prompts, and test your workflow in a playground environment before deploying. Once your custom agent workflow is built and tested, you can publish it to make it accessible via a unique URL. This allows you to interact with the agent over REST, integrating it into your own applications or workflows. Authentication is handled via cookies, and you can maintain conversation context across multiple requests using room IDs. This approach makes it easy to embed AI-powered agents into your enterprise solutions. When connecting external servers like MCP to Agent Factory, Ensure your virtual cloud network, VCN, security lists, allow the necessary ingress rules for the required ports. If you encounter issues, you can generate diagnostic logs by connecting to your compute instance, running the diagnosis tool, and copying the logs for investigation. These troubleshooting steps help maintain a smooth and secure operation for your AI agent environment. Oracle AI Database Private Agent Factory delivers an enterprise-ready, low-code approach to building and deploying AI agents. It's close to your data, compliant with governance, and fast to deploy whether on-premises, multi-cloud, or via the OCI marketplace. With pre-built agents, visual workflows, and REST integration, you can quickly unlock the power of AI for your business. For more details, check out the official documentation and start building your own AI agents today.